Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to be removing and reinstalling an idler pulley in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to remove this cover. Just grab underneath, pull up, and then you're going to pull out. You're going to have to wiggle it a little bit, and it'll come right out. That's where it's secured down, and there's clips that hold that in. Next, we're going to remove this snorkel. We have a worm clamp right here. We're going to use an 8mm socket and extension. Loosen that up. And then over here, it's a worm clamp right here. Do the same. And we're going to take a trim tool, and over here, where the hose is secured, we're going to separate that. We're going to remove this hose that goes to the upper valve cover. Pull that out. And we're going to lift up right here and pull towards the front of the vehicle. And then pull this off the airbox. Pull that out of your way. Now we're going to take the serpentine belt off. I'm going to use a 15mm wrench. You can use a serpentine belt tool, but we'll just use a wrench. You're going to put it on the adjuster. We're going to push it down, and we're going to pull the belt off over here on the idler pulley, and then loosen up on the adjuster. We can pull our wrench off. Take the belt off. Just pull it straight forward, just like that. We're going to remove our idler pulley. It's a 15mm socket and a ratchet. We'll loosen the bolt in the center. There you go. There's your idler. We're going to reinstall our idler pulley. Take our 15mm socket, line it up. Sometimes these go bad and you'll hear a bearing noise. You can tell when you take off the belt and you can spin it, and you'll hear a grinding noise. Snug it up with the ratchet, and then we'll torque it. We're going to torque this to 37 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. We're going to start and put the belt on down at the crank pulley first. Then we're going to come over the water pump pulley. And it's going to go down to the power steering pump pulley. We're going to go up on the alternator. And before we put it on our idler, we're going to put it over here on our tensioner. Then we're going to hold it down here as we grab our our tensioner with our 15mm wrench. We're going to pry up on the tensioner and slip the belt under the idler pulley. Next, we'll install the intake snorkel. Slide it down. We're going to slide it over the throttle body right here. And watch this rubber grommet over here. We're going to pull up on it. Slide it back. So that's in, and that's in right here. Next, we're going to come over here, pull this onto the air box like that. Over here, a little retainer for the hose. Slide that in there like that. And then on the back side, this hose that connects to the upper valve cover. Pop that in. Now I'll take my 8mm socket extension and a ratchet, tighten up this worm clamp right here. Not too tight, just a little bit snug. And then same on this one. Snug it up. It's good. We're gonna slide it underneath the hoses over here, the heater hoses, and then slide it back. And then once it's back all the way, there's little rubber grommets in here that line up with that ball and socket. And push down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.